Additional services. In this demonstration, we're going to talk about adding additional services into the system. This module lets you add in ancillary services that you or your customers can add to their bookings. For example, when adding a boarding booking, you may wish to add extra walks or one-on-one time to the booking, or a bath at the end of the pet stay. Once logged into the system, you can add additional services by clicking on the Settings menu and then clicking on the Services submenu item. There are a few settings that can be configured from the screen. Book services online. This toggle lets you prevent customers from booking additional services via the online booking portal. Show the Add Services step on the booking wizard. This toggle lets you hide or show the available services step on the booking wizard. The two scheduling toggles let you configure the system to include or exclude the booking's check-in and check-out dates from the auto schedule feature. This will make more sense when we walk through adding additional services to a booking shortly. To add your first service to a booking, click on the New Service button. Choose a service type, add in the name and a brief description, and set its price. If the service needs to be carried out on a particular date or time, you can set this as a schedulable service. Once you've added in the details for the service, towards the bottom of the screen, there are a couple of additional features. The toggle for Price TBC lets you hide the price of the service online. This is useful if the service varies in price depending on the dog size or other attributes. At the bottom of the Add Services screen, you have the ability to toggle on and off which bookings that these services will apply to. Because we don't want to bring our cats on a walk, we're going to untoggle, and we're not going to apply this to daycare or grooming bookings. Once we've selected the options that we require, we click Save. Further down the screen, there is a package option. This feature lets you group additional services into a package, similar in the way that packages are purchased in a spa. You can group a number of packages together and sell them at a discounted rate. We are now going to demonstrate that feature by adding a few extra additional services into the system. We've now added 3 additional services into the system, all of which are for grooming. We've got a bath, glands, and nails. To add a package, click on the New Package option, and then add in the package details. Once you save the package, you can then click back in and add the services. Once you've added the basic details of the package, click Save. Then reopen the package, and you can then add in the services that you wish to add. So we're going to add bath, glands, and nails. We are now going to say that this service is only applicable to grooming bookings. We're going to update the package details. So you can see here, when we add a package of services to a booking, it's going to add a bath, glands, and nails for a price of $35 instead of buying them separately, which would have cost $40. Click on the Add Booking menu and enter in the booking details. Find your customer, click Next, and assign the pet to a room. The Additional Services menu will now open, where you have the ability to add a bath or an extra walk to the booking. To add an additional service to a booking, all you need to do is select a quantity from the drop-down list. There are a couple of options in here to make scheduling easier. The first 6 options lets you auto-schedule services for particular days. By selecting every day, one additional walk will be added to the booking for each day of the booking. Every other day will skip every other day. The check-in day will add it for the check-in day. The check-out day will add it on the check-out day. When the pet checks in, when the pet checks out. And finally, day before checkout. Some facilities provide a wash at the end of the dog stay, but they like to do that before checkout. And then further down, you've got the option of just adding a specific quantity to the booking. In this case, we're going to choose 1 and we're going to click Add. You can see here the boarding cost has been set and the additional service will be added to the booking. To create the booking, click Create. In the customer email, the customer will be shown what services they have booked. Once the booking is in the system, you can do one of 2 things. You can view the booking details or you can schedule the services. We're just going to click into the booking details at the moment. To edit or alter the additional services that have been added to a booking, click on the Services submenu item. Once here, you've got the ability to do a number of things. You can set a date and a time that the service needs to be carried out. You can set a duration, assign a staff member to that service, and add in notes. Once the service has been completed, you can optionally mark it as complete by clicking on the associated button. If you wish to remove a service from a booking, all you need to do is click on the red X button. If you need to add additional services to a booking, all you need to do is click on the green Add Services button. Once here, you can then add additional services to the booking. The services have now been added to the booking and you can go back out to the booking details screen.